Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new GoPro Hero 10 Black bundle that I purchased through Costco today. It was on sale for $510 plus tax. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so in the box, once we open it up, it comes with this nice case. We have a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. You have your GoPro Hero itself. You have a dual battery charger. This is your brackets for mounting your GoPro. Just like that. Some stickies for the back of it. Again, your GoPro Hero goes in, mounts. And there's your two batteries. Inside the box here has some cables. Charging cable. And it's charged with a Type-C going into a USB. And there's the GoPro camera itself. So the reason I got this is I want to really up my video quality on my YouTube channel. So this has 5.3K video. And one really good thing about it is image stabilization, as well as this is waterproof. So the video quality on my channel is going to go way up, thanks to the GoPro Hero 10. So I'm really looking forward to this. So my next video that I actually put out will be made with this. I've also ordered a bundle kit through Amazon, and we'll do an unboxing video of that when it comes in, hopefully in the next few days. So it has a lot of accessories for mounting this and whatnot, so I'm really looking forward to getting that. So before I use this for the first time, I'm going to charge up the batteries fully. Again, I do like the fact that it does come with a dual battery charger, so we'll charge up the batteries and we'll give her a try. All right, they're fully charged. The lights are now green. All right, so next thing you're going to do is put the battery in. So to put the battery in, you got to pull up on this little clip here, which is actually pretty tight. And as you can see, the battery goes in there, and the micro SD card goes right there. So I will say it does come with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which is nice. And the batteries it comes with are 1720 milliamps. And don't forget to pull off your screen protectors. All right, let's turn it on for the first time. To turn it on, you press your power button. Screen's touch sensitive. So you need to install the GoPro Quick app on your phone. So I installed the GoPro Quick app on my phone, and what it does, it updates the app, and then it connects to your GoPro Hero 10, and it will set up this device, and it will also apply an update to the software on the GoPro itself. So it's very, very straightforward in walking you through step by step in setting up your GoPro. So you have to set it up to your Wi-Fi connection. So again, it's very straightforward, and there's quite a few videos out there on how to go through your settings and whatnot. So again, the reason why I got this is going to be my new camera for doing my YouTube videos. I've been using a Samsung Galaxy A70, so I'm looking forward to the real good video quality. Again, these are set up for 5.3K video, so we're going to see what the difference is. Just a few quick specs on this. There's your record button, your power and your mode button. And on the bottom, you pop these out. You can actually mount your accessories onto the bottom here if you want to mount it. Again, I did a quick test video outside, so I'll have this playing during the video. This is the 5.3K video with the GoPro. Again, this was just an unboxing video. I didn't go through all the details on the screen specs, how to use the screen, and so on. I just wanted to do an update that all my future videos are going to be recorded with this. My next video is probably going to be the GoPro accessory kit that I have coming from Amazon, so hopefully that will be in the next few days. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions or comments or tips regarding this, please post them below. Thanks for watching.